Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Katerina. I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist and I'm all-star, Nordstrom all-star. What it's mean, I got the highest award from Nordstrom. Yay! I worked for them for so many years. I definitely deserve. But let's start talking about new products, which one I'm gonna show you in this video. This is its brand Givenchy, and I really like this beautiful palette. I love this blush. It's so pretty. It's not just blush, just your basic blush. You have two colors here. Also in this video I'm gonna show you and I will talk about best lip plumper I ever try, and I have just samples, but I definitely gonna buy at Nordstrom, and it's make my lips big, plump, juicy, and I feel this like tingling. But it is #1 selling looks like lip plumper at Nordstrom. Again, today I'm going to create this beautiful look for you using Givenchy products. I also discovered the best primer for my skin. Stay in this channel. Oh, one more time, I have a green eyeliner. It's so hard to find something like this. Yes, you must watch these videos. Comments below. Please subscribe. Love you all, and let's start. Okay, let's start first with skincare. Today I'm gonna use vitamin Nectar Glow Water from brand Fresh. It's have lots of vitamins. It's paraben free. I like how it smells. I like its great hydration. Again, alcohol free, not aerosol. It's a vitamin C, E, B, lemon, orange extract, very fresh and light. I'm using this because my skin feels dry. For my serum today I'm gonna use La Mer. It's a hydrating serum. This is just sample I have, and it's have like it's a little bit green, slightly green color. Again, if your skin dry, this is good serum. And for moisturizer, and it's nothing wrong to mix brand, I'm gonna use today LANCOME Rénergie Micro Lift Moisturizer. It's lifting, firming, and we have here 15 SPF. I love LANCOME moisturizer. It's very creamy and rich. I like how it smells. Voila, we're almost done. And for my eye area, I'm gonna use today Christian Dior eye cream. And now let's start preparing for the makeup. Now I am gonna use a primer. I love this primer. I just purchased this from Nordstrom. It's brand Givenchy. We're gonna use a lot of products. We're gonna test a lot of product from Givenchy today. It's have 20 SPF and it's color corrector. Why did I choose this primer for me? Because first of all, I have pigmentation and discoloration on my skin right here, and also I do have large pores, and I like to little bit more texture for primer because it just will more even my skin. It's have a slightly like color. It's a like peachy pinky color, but let's see how will even my skin or not. Ooh, yeah. It's like, you know, when you start to paint your house, you wanna put primer first because you want balance or remove some like darkness from your walls. Same like I want to remove this like tiredness and pigmentation, or at least improve my texture of my skin. I really like this primer. It's definitely bright my skin. I already feel much more better, and it's have 20 SPF. Love it. Now I'm gonna put my eyeshadow primer from MAC, and of course it's one of my favorite now, Painfully. Okay, this is it's our palette from Givenchy, but I need to show you. This looks like two brushes inside, but you will need to open this, like remove this plastic, and you just will connect it, and here you have a two end of brush. How cool this, and it's a little bit detail here, Givenchy, because it's a very pretty colors, gorgeous colors. Here we have shimmer, we have matte, but let's see how colors is good, pigmented, of texture. I'm gonna tell you. First color, which one I'm gonna use this matte, like it's a peachy color, and I'm gonna put on top of my eyeshadow primer. It's a very nude color. It's have slightly little bit shimmer, but not too much. And now I'm gonna use a brush, which one we have in a palette, and now I'm just gonna blend. Very pretty. I really like it. Look at my eye without, and how pretty, just so neutral. If you don't like to use so many eyeshadow, you can just use this one eyeshadow and it will be so pretty. Now I'm gonna use next to this lighter color, and it's like a taupey, like very taupe, beautiful matte color. I push in against this color just to my eye pocket. It's a very like a beautiful, like soft taupey color, beautiful color. Eyeshadow goes very pretty, very pretty. The layers very beautiful on my skin. Now I'm gonna use big blending brush again, and I'm gonna just blend. Then I'm gonna go with this darker brown color, and again it looks like a little bit shimmer, but on my eyelid it looks like more matte. And this darker color I again press and push into my suckle area. It's a little bit more darker, it's a little bit more deeper, but don't worry about, we gonna blend it. I have a big blending brush, and I'm gonna use this burgundy color. This burgundy color I'm gonna put little bit above of this deep darker color, and I put very little. I don't need too much color. And what I'm doing right now is just blending. And now you can see right here it's brown, and right here I have slightly little bit burgundy color. And I use a big blending brush. Later on we're gonna clean up under. But now let's use this beautiful gold orange color. I'm gonna use Givenchy makeup brush. It's a beautiful orange goldy color. I little bit want this orange goes more intense. I'm gonna use Airbrush setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm gonna just spray my brush a little bit, and I go back and I'm gonna use this orange color, and it should go a little bit more intense. Oh yeah, if you don't have spray, you can use your little finger and apply with your finger. But you see how big difference, right? Now I have a beauty blender, and I have slightly little bit foundation here. I'm just gonna clean up under my eyes, and then I will put concealer. For my concealer I'm gonna use today Chanel Color 10. And I trying to put my concealer up for extra lift. Hope guys you like this eyeshadow like I do. please comments below, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. I already have concealer under my eyes, but let's put foundation. I'm gonna use today LANCOME Teint Idole. It's for all type of skin, long wearing. It has so much colors. It's medium to full coverage. I really like to use this foundation, have 15 SPF. It stays beautiful on my skin. I will say if you dry to extremely dry, maybe it's not a good foundation for you because it can give you slightly a little bit dryness feel, but like if you will put a serum, moisture, good hydrating primer, I think you will be okay. But it's one of like top selling foundation in a planner. It's $20, and again it's have so many colors, and it's not comedogenic. It stays beautiful on my skin, cover everything, and it's not feels heavy. Like if somebody else come and like I'm normal but I want a little bit coverage, $20 your friend. And it's by LANCOME. But now let's go back to eyes. I'm gonna use Givenchy eyeliner, and today we're gonna use 05 Jade. I really like teal one. I show you in my previous my videos. I love this color, but because I sell so many of teal one, I decided, you know what, let me buy also green one. And of course everything you can buy from my link, which one will be below my video, or you can just message me and I will send you home, and it's free shipping. And we're gonna use this beautiful, I'm gonna show you my hand, beautiful green colors right now on them my lashes, on the bottom of my lashes. Beautiful. I'm stopped right here. I don't go all the way to corner. Now I have a small tiny brush, and I'm just gonna little bit soft this eyeliner. Oh, I think I put little bit more concealer. If you ever see something like in your lines and wrinkles, it's mean you put too much concealer, or I put too much concealer. And I'm just gonna use my finger to absorb concealer. It's gone. Now I'm gonna use this white color, it's like a shimmer white color, and we're gonna put on the corner of my eye, right here, very little, and a little bit under my eyebrow bone. This green color, I do wanna look a little bit more softer, and I'm gonna set with this soft taupey matte color. It's not gonna much change green, but it's just gonna a little bit more softer look. This green eyeliner stays so good. It's waterproof, it's not moving nowhere. Now I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner from Giorgio Armani. It's really black. Now my green eyeliner, I'm gonna put on top my black eyeliner, just like on center of my eyes, to lift my eyes. I don't go in the corner here or here, just in the center. Now to finish my eyes, I'm gonna use Laura Mercier Lash curler first. Then I'm gonna use primer from Yves Saint Laurent, and I love this beautiful brush. Then I'm gonna use Givenchy mascara. Now it's a volume mascara. I do like it's make a huge volume, but it's have little problem here. This mascara, for some reason, it's smudge on me, but I know why. Because this mascara make my eyelashes so huge, they touch in my eyelid. But I have waterproof mascara from Chanel, what I'm gonna use this first, and then I will finish with one coat of waterproof mascara, and you can use any waterproof mascara. It will just seal this mascara because I do like it. I have lots of volume. If you do not have, like I have, my eyelashes pretty good already, and if you don't, your eyelashes small and tiny, it's a great mascara. It's make my eyelashes too long, but I like too long. Now, to finish this look, we're gonna use Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Bronze Glow. It's bronze and highlighter together. I'm gonna use a little bit highlighter on my bone right here. I love this highlighter. I use a lot. It's one of my favorite products from her. A little bit on my nose, a little bit above my lips. That's it. And now I will use same brush, and I will use a bronze to contour from my ear to my lips halfway. It's a very nice color for contour. It's not too dark for me, it's not too light for me. It's so pretty. And again, we apply to my hairline, a little bit in corner right here. This area we keep in light, and under to slim this, to slim this. Also, I'm gonna make a little bit my nose. Structure smaller. I don't spend too much time on my nose because I'm fine with my nose. And I don't like when it's like I see makeup artists when they come and like you can see this harsh line. I'm like, ew, sorry, like it just don't look good to me personally. Now I'm gonna use blush from of course Givenchy, and I love you have a little small brush in here. You have protection. This is your protection because sometimes brush can get oil, and I like to suggest my customer to keep this protection. But it's two colors here, lighter and darker, and I like to mix two together them. Love this blush, and I'm just applying in center of my cheek. And when you do first, it kind of feels like it's not a much color, but you know what, you can build color. I rather build colors than apply right away and say, oh, too much, right? I love how it smells, and it's color number 6, Romantica. Ooh. So pretty. I just truly like this blush. I'm gonna little bit use this blush on my eye area. Basically, I connected my blush with my eyes, and now we're gonna use today lip liner from LANCOME sheer raspberry. But for lips I got samples from Nordstrom, and I always like to try this brand Big Sam. It's one of the most like popular lip plumper. It's plum, tingle, little bit shine. It's have vitamin E and A and E, Longwear and Hydrating, and it's color Dolly. Look at this cute sample, right? I'm gonna apply my lip liner on entire my lips, and then I'm gonna put this beautiful lip plumper also on my lips. I love LANCOME lip liner. I think they're like one of the best in the market. They stay good, they not feels dry. Okay, let's try this Dolly. Oh my god, it feels so good. It's have color. It's just perfect color for me. Yes, it is start tingling little bit. It is start making my lips more bigger. I love it. Of course, if you like this video, please subscribe, comments below. If you want me to use some different brands palette, what we carried Nordstrom, please let me know. Love you all, and I will see you in my next video. But I think I look so pretty. It's time for me to go somewhere. Okay, love you all. Bye.